Today I'm going to be showing you why making Fortnite maps is the new best side hustle in 2025 because as you guys can see on my screen, this map has amassed 116,000 players and it's made a grand total of $500,000 in just the span of a week. So I know that a lot of you guys think that dropshipping or e-commerce or YouTube automation are the best side hustles to make money online, but that is simply not the case. The best business to make money online is making Fortnite maps. So that is why today I'm going to be showing you guys the exact necessary steps you guys need to make money online making Fortnite maps as a beginner. It does not matter what stage you guys are at. This video is going to be immensely helpful. So that is why I highly advise you guys to stick around and watch this video until the end. Let's get right into it. So starting off from the intro, we know that this game called Octo Game 2 has made over $700,000 in just the span of a week. But why is that? How is he having a better advantage than the competitors inside of the Fortnite economy that are making money online? And how can you guys at home watching this video replicate the same success like this? Well, I'm going to show you guys exactly how right now. So right now we're going to load up inside of the Octo Game 2 to show you guys what's actually happening and what's making you guys so much more money online so you guys can replicate the same success. Okay, so right now we are inside of the Octo game and this is the game that's making millions of dollars. So right now I'm going to be showing you guys what is actually making this game popular and the most money online because it has a lot of technical advancements that you guys need to be following and replicating to have success inside of your game. Starting off with this leaderboard here, which tracks how many players are actually inside of the game when people get eliminated. As you guys can see, waiting for all players to load. And on the back of us, we actually have a numbers that symbolizes the players and the person that we are. This is a phenomenal game to have built. And as you guys can see, we have the guards here to put us inside of the squid games that are moving in front of us. And here we have Mr. Beast just doing the juice roll emote. And essentially what we're going to be doing is competing in prize money. But if you guys look how this game is like orchestrated, we can see the name tags, we can see this person's social medias here, the cosmetic shop where we can buy stuff, we can buy squid games, the VIPs and stuff, where we can actually unlock squid game characters. So in your games, you want to be having elemental unlocks inside of your games. You want to be unlocking stuff. So the first game is going to be the red light, green light. We'll see if I can make this out alive. So right here, we have the squid games. So pretty much essentially what we have to do is beat this doll who's going to turn to her head, where we have to move. It's kind of like red wolf, green wolf. So just the cinematics alone, guys, this is seriously insane. So we're going to have to get ready in 2 seconds. So essentially what we do is we move, and then if we move like this guy here, that guy in front of me is probably going to get eliminated since he is dancing. As you guys can see, he will probably be getting eliminated. It is pretty funny because that Snoop Dogg is pretty idiotic. That guy is going to be dying very soon. But if you guys look at the doll, this is what you guys need to be doing to make money online, because as you guys can see, these are the types of games you guys need to be making. So we're going to see how far we can actually go inside of here, because we only have exactly 1 minute left. See, that guy's dead over here, and we have the squid game guards over here ready to shoot and kill people. As you guys can see, we have a lot of people over here, but Juice WRLD is the best, obviously. So we're going to make it across here, and we are going to beat it inside of the squid game. So obviously this is connected to a mutator zone, so on a timer, when the round actually ends, we get accepted inside of the next round. So this is exactly what you guys want to be having inside of your games. As we continue inside of the challenges in squid games, you're going to see more and more features that you guys need to be implementing inside of your game to make more money online. Okay, so we have won the game. Obviously we have a like and favorite screen on here, and here we have the dollars that we have won, and at the top there's a pot of money simulating that people have died, because in squid games when you die, people get money. All right, so we are inside of the next game. The next game is the running game, where we have to complete certain obstacles and pair up in teams. So essentially what we have to do is complete challenges together. So the first one is to just make it across this obstacle over here, just like this. And once we've made it across, all we have to do is play the number game, where we just have to throw and hit one of these obstacles over here, which is pretty easy to do. Now once you've hit it, you can run across here. And then the next challenge is just honeycomb jumping, which is pretty easy to do. We just have to jump across here. And the final challenge is hopscotch, where we can play, and all we have to do is just press interact when the timer actually ends, like this. And as you guys can see, we have now made it to the next round. So right here is the finish line, and now we run across the red ribbon. Bam! Now we're teleported inside of the next round, the third game in season 2 of Squid Games. So even if you guys look at the visual elements of this game, I know it may be boring to watch me play a video game while I'm talking about it and showing you what's going to make the most money. But since we can spectate other people in the game, when you guys are making your free-for-all games, how about when you die and you unlock the rewards and the vault and the items, you can spectate amongst players fighting each other to receive the items. Like, this is what I don't get in most of you guys' games. You have cool elements, you have cool systems, but you're just missing one fundamental key, and that is the players. How do the players feel when they're interacting with your experience? And I'm not saying this is like a nerdy way, because obviously Verseify can make these games for you, which is in the link in the description, and I have a community that can help you too, which is also in the link in the description. But you guys need to be making better games. Like even with this next game here, guys, the cinematic sequences are amazing. Welcome to the staircase level. Make sure to make your way to the top before the timer runs out. Okay, let's do it. It should be fairly easy. We just have to run up these stairs and we should be good. But I presume that they're going to get more and more harder as time progresses. So all we have to do is just run across here. We have 1 minute and 30 seconds to go. Pretty easy. So we're just going to make it on the top of here, go up these stairs, go across here. We're just going to run and jump and get across here. And as you guys can see, we have now made it to the next round. So if you guys look here, it actually shows how many players are actually remaining. So we went from 36 to 21 players. And here it actually shows who's eliminated with their actual Fortnite skin. So we have the Juice WRLD here. This is very cool. It shows us which players are actually eliminated. All right, so we have the next game now. This is the game where we have to go into players and partners. Like, why couldn't you guys incorporate this in a free-for-all game where there's live events that switch you from free-for-all to 2v2? We have to 2v2 against the 50 players. So now we have a merry-go-round which spins around. So we have just went inside of another room and we have locked the opponent. So everyone else is now going to die. We can actually look through the windows here of the people that are actually stuck, scrambling. And as you guys can see, we just watched them get eliminated. Poor guys. This is exactly how I intend Fortnite map making to actually go. This is what we need to be making inside of Fortnite. This is so sad. I'm gonna watch everyone die. Look at this guy. He's done for. So obviously we've just died because we did not have 2 players, but this is where we can actually spectate and become the actual watcher over the games. And now we can actually go ahead and actually spectate the games. So this is where we can actually watch over everything and manipulate the players and have them actually lose. So we're gonna watch and show you guys how to actually manipulate the games, because these guys are gonna be going inside of the games, playing them, while the actual geniuses behind us are actually watching over them. So even when you're not a player or when you're a spectator, it is still fun and engaging to watch people play the games. And even if we head onto Twitter and search up Sunday CW, which was the actual map maker of this game, if you guys look at his marketing strategy from even last year and see how he actually marketed the game, it was super intense. Like, we had the platforms, the tug of war. This is what you guys need to be doing to build your game. So even if we look at, we search up Octo game, Fortnite, and we look at all the people that were actually playing this game, we have a first trailer for Squid Game, and then we have the Fortnite game, which has 384,000 players. So it's pretty wild and baffling that you can make so much money online making Fortnite maps. So if we even search up Squid Game Fortnite, you're going to see even I Show Speed play this game. So here we have him going inside of the merry-go-round game where you're spinning. We have Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo fighting each other. Obviously he does not want him in the game, but if we look at the player count here, this guy is making so much money. This had more players than the actual Black Ops 6 collaboration. And here we have leaked Fortnite skins actually coming inside of the game. We have the Chinese doll, this girl, and this, and the Squid Game person. So this is what's going to be happening inside of Fortnite. It's pretty wild, the possibilities of what actually withholds inside of Fortnite. Because even if we go onto TikTok as well, preferably, and we search up Fortnite, there's going to be millions and billions of views, people talking about Fortnite, of how much fun they've had actually playing the game. Look at all of these videos. We have leaked skins, we have the Vexbots unfollowing my homie. So when you guys are building your own games, you want to have cultural impact as well. Because inside of my Discord, we have hundreds and thousands of people marketing and promoting their games, getting thousands of players and making thousands of dollars. Because even if you guys want to have a game built by me, especially for you, obviously that can be done as well. But if we're seeing the grass potential here, overheading everything, oversighting everything, hundreds of people are promoting their games every day inside of my server to market their games. This is seriously the best way to promote your games, because I know a lot of you guys don't have a personal brand, so this is the easiest way by far to get your name out there inside of my Discord server. Because I'm not gonna lie, there's not a lot of competition in the space. I'm literally #1 in the entirety of the space. I'm the only person really making content. If you go here and we press last week, my face is right there, because I'm the only person talking about it. So there's not a lot of competition, and that is a good thing, because I'm here to oversaturate the market and get billions and hundreds of millions of people online making Fortnite maps. That is my mission. That is my mission. That is what I want to do. I've made millions of dollars accumulatively, impacting you guys and making you guys more money online, and I'm here to stay. I seriously cannot thank you guys enough for watching this video and sticking with me and being continuing showing support on my channel. It means the world to me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's seriously been your boy Davey Davis. Click the last video on the screen, businesses and sponsorships. You can reach out down below, join the Discord, get Verseify. Without further ado, I'm out. Peace.